How to import login wallet on Trust Wallet. If you wish to import a login wallet to Trust Wallet, now if you want to import or log into your Trust Wallet account, right, you normally need to have the 12-word recovery phrase that you had backed up previously. You can write them manually or you can import them from your cloud or wherever you backed it up. Launch the Trust Wallet app and go to the option I already have a wallet, because if you do not have a wallet, first you must create a wallet, but we're trying to import a login, so I will select I already have a wallet. It will ask you to create a passcode to access your wallet, so enter a passcode over here and just confirm the changes over here. Once we've done that, we can allow biometric access as well, and once done, it will ask us to add our existing wallet. Now we can add it using a recovery phrase. Now if you remember your recovery phrase, go ahead and then make sure to tap on continue and enter your recovery phrase over here, or your private key or however else. But in my case, I had backed up my recovery phrase or my wallet to Google Drive. So if I select Google Drive, I can just select my Google account. Here I'll be able to see a list of wallets that I have backed up. So I can select a certain wallet, enter the password for the wallet, and I can restore the wallet. This way I can import or log into my Trust Wallet account. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.